Hi everyone. How's it going? Sinapon caught this fish the other day. Like other fish, this fish has so many names. So, let's call it cutlassfish. This is what comes to mind when you think of swordfish, right? This is a sword a samurai carries. The blade is long and narrow and very shiny. Cutlassfish is called swordfish in Japan because it resembles Japanese swords. In Japanese it is called tachiwo. Look at this thin tail. It is just as its other name, large head hairtail, suggests. Its ferocious face is similar to that of the dagger-toothed conger pike from the other day. But the cutlassfish's bones are quite ordinary. So, I think Sinapon can handle it. Let's go. I think it was her appreciation for life. As usual, she'll cut off the head behind the pectoral fins. I think she hit a hard spot. Some of the innards were removed together. She turned it around, but it might have been easier to just put the knife in from the anus and cut towards the collar. This is difficult to determine unless you actually cut it. Then rinse with running water. The dorsal fin is transparent and very beautiful. Where should she cut it? You can cut it according to the size of your cookware or serving size. Christmas is in the air. Sprinkle some salt. Then sprinkle some flour. She bought this flour shaker at the 100 yen shop. It's cheap and very convenient. Sprinkle the other side as well. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add some butter. Since the cutlass fish is flat, it cooks in a short time. We want to sauté the surface crispy, so the heat is a little higher than usual. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes on each side and it's done. Thank you everyone for watching. We hope to see you in the next video.